Good morning, everybody, and this is your Dow Jones Day Trade setup for today. So, pretty clear we are in a range. There are buyers coming in here. So you can see there's buyers stepping in off 31,247. We have tested it a second time. It is a pretty strong level. So on the S&P 500, it's not really the level we're buying off is not really that strong. But if you look at the Dow, this is a pretty strong level. So, and this is the second, third time that we've bought off that level. Nothing really to add to this except we are range bound and big tails to the downside. So this could be seen as hanging men. It could be seen as structure for a break to the upside, and that is kind of what I'm expecting. So we've had a solid move sideways, solid move sideways, next step, solid move. So that's what we're waiting for. At the moment, on the 3 hour, nothing really indicating we need to be looking to buy. I do like the look of the oscillators come off the top, sort of. So we're sort of easing out of overbought territory at the moment. And I suspect we're going to continue like this today, to be honest. I don't think there's going to be anything, unless there's a major catalyst. And we still haven't got any confirmation on the stimulus check. I think the focus right now is on Trump's impeachment trial. So at the moment, it's sideways, and sideways trading does not excite me. I'm not good at it, so I don't do it. So at this moment, I am sitting quite patiently on my hands and watching for structure. So this level here, and it's actually a bit of a zone because there's quite a few tails here, but this area here around 31,370 is key at the moment. We have made a higher low. See, there's our previous low. So on the daily, that's a higher low, but we didn't really make a higher high. We have made a lower high. So that is a triangle. Okay, so if you just do that and you draw another level there, you'll see it's a bit of a triangle. Okay, so let me just leave that in and let's delete the noise. So triangle inside a range, always is the start of an indication that something bigger is going to happen. Now I can actually just fine tune the triangle a little bit, bring this into it. Okay, so I can do that. That's been a fake out, or adjust your triangle like that. It doesn't really matter. It is a consolidation pattern, and there is nothing that I see that's worth trading at the moment. And you'd probably be down to the 15-minute again, and you can see what's happening here on when was this? This was Wednesday. Massive sell-off, buyer stepped in. Okay, same thing happened here. Massive sell-off, buyer stepped in with a nice double bottom. And that was this double bottom would have played out. So there it is there. Oh, not quite. Didn't quite get to it, but you can see why. If you look to the left, you can see all the structure here, which is what price was aiming for. Okay, so my advice is really just take a long weekend. But if you are going to trade this, you need to be a range trader, look for value or look for opportunities lower down. And this is a strong level to buy off 31,247 until it breaks. That's kind of the most logical choice. I'm not interested in shorting this, so I'm not even going to tell you if there are opportunities to short, because I don't believe you should be shorting, not when the trend is as strong as it is. This is just a consolidation phase. It's been a weak consolidation, I know. It does get frustrating when you've got a week and there's very little trading opportunities, but that's part of the game. So make hay when the sun shines. When you are trending, you want to be trading and you want to be banking your profits, specifically for these kind of weeks. Okay, so it's not going to continue like this forever. Something is going to happen. There is going to be some catalyst shortly, and that catalyst will drive us in a direction. And for me at the moment, this is a clear uptrend into a range. So it's up range. I'm looking for the value buys. I'm looking to buy off structure and or off a break. So if we break out the range and retest, that's also going to be the signal to buy. But for me today, it definitely sit on hands, long weekend, money in pocket, going to be a profitable day for me. No chance of losing anything, 100% guarantee of keeping my capital. Hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you on Monday morning. Cheers for now.